Hello, I'm Anna Mara, Commons Marketing Coordinator. Thank you so much for making the decision to join us in Anaheim for POWERUp 2019. At POWERUp 19, you'll find over 325 sessions, 22 tracks, 15 focused education roadmaps, and the largest expo of its kind. There are dozens of opportunities to learn, engage, and have fun. If you're a first-time attendee, or it's been a while since you've last attended a conference, the list of options and opportunities can feel a little overwhelming. And even if you're a seasoned attendee, the tips, tricks, and resources in the Know Before You Go videos will help you maximize your conference experience. Plan out your schedule before you get there. To find the online session guide, go to common.org. Go to the Events tab and click on POWERUp. Then scroll down and click on the Online Session Guide button. This will take you to the Online Session Guide, where you can search for all the different sessions and events that are of interest to you. You can search by date, type, focused education roadmap, level, or by past awards that the sessions have won. You will need to be registered for POWERUp 19 and logged onto Schedule to be able to create your schedule. Once you find a session you want to attend, click on the checkbox in the title to add it to your schedule. If you're debating between two sessions at the same time, you can add them both and pick later. Finally, you can access your full schedule by hovering on your avatar and then click My Schedule. This is where you can go to make any final tweaks to your schedule. Your schedule will also be the place that you go to provide session feedback. To do this, hover over the session name and a window will appear with the session information. Click on the feedback survey to access the survey for each session you attend. Your feedback is vital to the organizers and speakers to be able to plan future events and improve sessions. Each morning of the conference, you will receive an email listing of your schedule for the day. Be sure to watch for it, as well as the conference daily in your email inbox. As POWERUp 19 draws near, watch for email updates with more information regarding the conference. If you need assistance, please call us at 1-312-279-0192. See you in Anaheim.